now. Hi people, this is Gordon in his famous kids animal show, presenting us with the Malaysian Monkey. This is how the camera saw it. Not everything went to plan.
So boys and girls, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. We're going to see the Malaysian monkey in its natural habitat. It loves being in nice dry trees. It's a very relaxed animal. Let's take a look at it now. This is the rare Malaysian monkey. This is only one of its kind in the world. As you can see, it's got lovely long legs, which helps it swing and bounce from tree to tree. Good strong arms. Before the break you saw the pink elephant, and now hopefully we're going to take a look at... Hi kids! Hi kids, I'm Gentle Bob and welcome back to Animal Farm. Welcome back kids to Animal Farm. Hi kids, I'm Gentle Bob. I'm Gentle Bob. I'm Gentle Bob. I'm Gordon and I'm Gordon and I'm Gordon and pick up, you horrible little thing. Yeah. Okay. Hi kids. You look good. Sorry about that, children. Unfortunately, the Malaysian monkey can't be with us today, so let's go and have a look at some pink elephants.